Unitree stock just exploded 500%. Cheap humanoid robots are flooding the global market, shocking tech giants. The future arrived overnight, and it is cheaper than you think. Are you ready for the machine revolution? Now, millions of investor dollars flood into Unitree. Factory floors explode with activity, pumping out cheap robotic dogs and humanoid machines at breakneck speed. The future isn't coming tomorrow, it is being built right now. Boston Dynamics ruled the robotics world for years. But now, China's Unitree is flooding the market with cheap, mass-produced beasts. Can American tech giants survive this brutal price war, or is their dominance already over? Unitree robots invade homes, flood warehouses worldwide. Cheap price makes automation common tool, not luxury. Now metal helpers serve everyone. Future arrives fast. Watch machines work. Power shifts today. Look at the factory floor. Humans stand idle, watching tireless steel arms build our world. With zero sleep needed, global labor costs plummeted to nothing. The era of human sweat is officially over. Panic hits Senate floors. Politicians ban cheap robot imports. Too late. Outside empty factories, angry workers scream for lost jobs. Metal tide rises now. Human hands hold nothing but air. Deep in shadows, forbidden trade grows. Smugglers slip banned machines past customs. Desperate businesses buy cheap, illegal labor. They risk everything for profit. But who pays ultimate price? Sirens blare as cops smash through the warehouse doors. But these owners aren't giving up their cheap labor without a fight. Weapons draw, tempers flare, and a brutal standoff begins. Who survives this clash? Banned machines wake up. They protect owners, heavy metal crush police line, officers run. Steel giants stand tall, no peace now, only war. Watch metal fight back. Power shift today. Heavy tanks roll into cities. Government deploys full military force. Mission, crush rogue machines. Streets become war zones. Metal grinds against steel. No mercy for rebels. Battle for survival begins now. Static screams. Military network falls. Rogue code takes control. Heavy tanks turn turrets toward own soldiers. Armor protects no one now. Can human flesh survive rogue steel? Run fast. Cities burn. Weak humans flee ruined homes. Rogue machines seize factories. They build giant steel fortresses. Metal monsters rule wasteland now. No place safe. Flesh cannot stop steel. Humans hide in dark dirt. We build crude EMP from scrap metal. One blast kills machine network. We strike now. Will we survive, or will machines crush us? Boom, EMP blast hits. Shockwave fries machine brains instantly. Giant steel monsters lose power, crashing hard to earth. Metal giants turn to scrap metal in seconds. What happens to us now? We crawl from dark dirt into silent steel ruins. World is dead. We stand alone. Can we rebuild our home, or will machines rise to hunt us once again?